Ladies and gentlemen, it is once again your boy, Ryan Dins, and today we're going to talk about which 3 dividend-paying stocks you should buy during the dip. Now, as everyone has seen what has been happening, the market has been taking a major doo-doo right now. It is going down every day. We're having days where the S&P's losing 2%, 3%, just terrible days. Tesla's taking a hit, Apple's taking a hit, Microsoft's taking a hit. Banking and oil, forget it. Energy, forget it. They have been taking terrible hits. And a lot of people are going, oh no, what should I do? I'm going to sell everything. And that is not what you should be doing right now, especially if you're a long-term dividend investor. Right now, you should be picking up more, saying this market's having a yard sale. I'm going to buy as much as I can right now while I still have the chance. And with that being said, some stocks are good, some stocks are bad. Some stocks have been taking minor hits, some stocks have been taking bad hits. I'm going to tell you right now, in my opinion, which 3 stocks you should be buying at this exact moment. The first one that I'm going to talk about is probably the most popular stock in the entire world, and that is Apple. Apple was at 138 the other day. It's right now around 110. I picked up some at 103 pre-market, which is the best time to buy it. I think in this situation, anything below 125 is a good deal for Apple, because Apple is the one stock that hedge funds love it, index funds love it, retail investors love it. Everybody is buying Apple. And you can't even go to a restaurant without seeing some teenage girl going "Woo" the whole time. Not teenage girl, me too. I'll be taking photos of my food. Let's not lie. Everybody's got an iPhone. It's gonna continue to go up. It's down. And this dip is like a gift, because there's never been a dip that Apple didn't recover from in less than a year. Every single time everyone counted it out for at least the last 10 years. I mean, it had some tough times in the 90s or whatnot, but recently it's just always recovers because everyone sees Apple down and they can't keep their hands off it. People see Apple below 110, but people are going nuts buying it. So it's just gonna go up anytime it goes. And as a dividend investor, I don't love the dividend. It's around 0.75 yield last I checked. I like most of my yields to be around 4 or 5%, sometimes even a little higher. So, but with that being said, it at least does pay a dividend. So, you could get a little bit of payments here and there as it continues to grow, because it really is a growth stock that happens to pay a dividend. And I think it's the best technology stock. I also like Microsoft, but I just don't think that Microsoft is nearly as good as Apple, because Apple is just a beast. I mean, it's probably the best stock in the entire world. And at this price, I personally would say get your hands on as much as you can, because I have no crystal ball, but I would say 2 years in the future, this thing's going to be above 200. So anything you get now is going to be absolutely good for you. Say I'm wrong and it's not above 200 in 2 years. It'll probably be above 138, which was where it was a few weeks ago. So it's not like you're going to lose money on Apple, especially with these hedge funds buying. Because a lot of times when you buy these stocks that aren't being looked at by hedge funds, it's, you got your mom and dads sitting at home buying a couple grand a month. That's just not going to do the same as somebody like Warren Buffett, throwing in like $20 billion on something, or even more. So that's why I say Apple's a good opportunity. The next stock I would like to talk about is AT&T. AT&T, it's my second biggest position right now, full disclosure, and I believe AT&T's dividend is awesome right now. It's above 7% for a blue chip company like AT&T. That's great. And they've been paying their dividends for years. They've not only been paying it, they've been increasing their dividends every year. Put it this way, if I had about $1 million right now and I wanted to just retire and do nothing, I would put it all in AT&T and I'd get my 7% a year and make $70,000 a year just laying around in my socks. It's great for, passive income if you have that kind of money. I personally don't, so I just buy a few shares a month and increase my position in it. If you've been following my channel, I've only been starting with this portfolio that I'm showing you guys for a few months. And so right now, you know, when I get a dividend payment for AT&T every 3 months, it's only around 20 bucks or so, but it's going to continue to grow because I'm going to continue to buy positions. And right now it's in the 27s. I say anything under 30, you buy AT&T. That's what I've been doing. When I see it, you know, peek its head out at like 31, I look at other things. But at 27, I mean, come on, it's going to be at 30 soon anyway. And you're going to continue to get these big dividends. And AT&T is just a giant. Everyone has a cell phone these days. Everyone needs cable. So it's not like it's going to be obsolete anytime soon. So that's why I say AT&T is, out of these 3 picks, it might even be my number 1 at this price. So with that being said, my third stock that I'm looking to buy more of right now is Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, I did a video, you can look in and see the video. I compared it to Pepsi, and spoiler alert, Coca-Cola got the win over Pepsi in that video. And it's just because the dividend's great, it's a better price, it's a great company. You can buy Coca-Cola in pretty much any country in the world. It's one of the few products that are truly universal. There's not that many products that you can buy worldwide. Like, you know, my friend was in Madagascar, which is an island off the coast of Africa, and he was able to buy Coca-Cola there. Couldn't find Budweiser, couldn't find Heineken, no McDonald's. The only American product he saw was Coca-Cola. And that says something, because, you know, a lot of companies are trying to expand. They've already done the expanding. So, and as the global population continues to grow, there's going to be more people drinking soda. So it's going to continue to go up for that reason alone. And you know, its price per earnings is great. It's not in any financial trouble. The dividend's great. So that would be my third pick. So with that being said, everyone needs to do their own research and then look at these stocks. But when you see a buying opportunity like this, you make sure you buy. You don't sit on the sidelines waiting for it to get, oh, let me wait till it turns around. And then all of a sudden the market goes up 3-4% a day and you missed it because you didn't buy it. I'm buying it now, so when that happens, I'll already own it. So thank you for watching. Continue to buy these stocks. Make sure you follow my Instagram, ryan.dins. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. It really helps the algorithm. It really helps the channel. And the more it helps the channel, the more quality videos I will share with you wonderful people. Also join the Facebook group. You see it in the links where we talk about dividend stocks. It's free for now, so make sure you get in before I start charging for it. It's a great group, a lot of value. So that's it. Have a great day and keep making money.